again, man, like I'm just speaking from our own experience. What I do remember us working at Lowe's, man. I remember you cooking. You know what I'm saying, back then. Like I remember you was the chicken man. Like, you know what I'm saying.
That was the first time. Like I think you and Tone was at the house and I cooked that shrimp. And y'all was going crazy. I was like, man, this be on the regular, man. Some steak and shrimp, like that. Like, I mean, I was cooking all that stuff.
But see, y'all don't
way back then.
Y'all don't understand though. This is 2009, 2010. You know what I'm saying? We was really outside. So I'm talking about maybe a 6 to 12 pack down. I done smoked one or two. Like you know what I'm saying? I'm going crazy. So, you know, my dude got something good to eat. It's going down.
That's crazy because I think that time, that might have been that time I cooked that time for you. Tone D-Code was all over there, and we was after work, and I just was getting it.
Yeah.
But that might have been like that same day we was on some trash at work.
Right.
Going to Chipotle.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We was on trash, but I don't know. I really had, even way back at Chapel Hill, I was cooking. And like, I remember in like the 4th or 5th grade, I got a George Foreman for Christmas, and I was pumped.
Man, shout out to George Foreman Grills, man.
And I just, probably one of my fondest memories is being young as my great-grandmother cooking breakfast for me. And I used to watch, like, I'm talking about as early as I can remember, I just would be sitting there watching. You know, I remember the one time I got in trouble, I probably was like 6, maybe like 7. And they went to church at night. And I'm like, man, I'm finna cook all this breakfast like she cooked me. And they came back, and I was in the kitchen getting it in. I'm like, what is you doing, bro? Right. You got the fire too? I'm like, man, you know what I'm saying? I wanted this. I know how to cook it, man. I watched you. You know
Right.
So that, and another early memory is my dad being able to cook. My dad can get it in.
Yeah.
And like my dad's mom, my grandma Phyllis, like, always spoiling me with some food. So I just always bring good memories. Good food always bring good memories, you know what I'm saying? Make people feel good. So that was just something I picked up early on.
That's dope, man. Yeah. So food it played a role in your life that like you said that it was good memories associated with it. Like there was good times associated.
Good feeling. Yeah,
good feeling. So therefore you developed a passion for it on your own.
Yep.
Which I'm sure probably subconsciously pulled up the good feelings that you was, you know what I'm saying, having as a kid. Like, shit, I enjoy this. Like, you know what I'm saying?
If you gave somebody some good food, they felt good.
That's a fact. that is a fact. And people gonna remember that.
They gonna remember that. Yeah.
They gonna remember that.
Yep.